It looks like Canva Droptober is now here. Let's check out the features. Apparently more AI and a new kid on the block. Say hi to Dreamlab. All you need to do is describe your image and then choose any style. Wow, it looks amazing, right? You can storyboard and supercharge your productivity. Amazing. Now, let's look at Visual Suite. Oh, what's this? I like it. I like the new polls and quizzes they have added. Again, game-changing. Oh, and Magic Write got an update? Wow. They left the best thing till the last, creating cinematic videos, turning your photos into a whole lot more. But I do like the new music feature that wasn't featured here, but all I can say is, go and check it out today. And have fun, and always love your work.